We're in the kitchen and Taylor. And this is Hope right now.
This plastic, I don't think it's gonna work. Right in the middle. That's okay.
Don't forget to wake out the bubbles. Some more. I'll get some silly stuff.
What are we making today?
We're making pancakes. You need flour, sugar, a cup more flour and more sugar, and 2 bowls of flour with 1 egg in them. And you need to stir up the egg and pour the milk in. Alright? Put the dry stuff in first. I got a lot of baking powder. Right?
Yep.
We also need sugar. We need some salt. Now we start to mix it. We want to make a hole in the middle. That's where the egg and the milk goes.
You want to crack the egg?
Mm-hmm.
This plastic, I don't think it's gonna work. Here you go. Right in the middle. That's okay.
I need a one towel because eggs are kind of sticky. No more sticky hands. Pour this all in.
All in.
Done. Now it's time to stir. Now it's time to cook the batter. This is a part for your helper to do, not you. Once your helper knocks the pan on, it's time to spray.
You have to shake it first.
Take a 1/2 cup scoop for each pancake. Take a 1/3 cup scoop for one every pancake. Pancake's getting big. Sometimes the one who does the first can watch it get cooked, just to make sure it doesn't burn. Wait for the bubbles to pop before you flip it. That one's getting way better with that hum.
Scoop it.
Yummy! Don't forget to let the bubbles pop. These smell like yummy pancakes, but always put butter in it. Let your elbow put the hot pan away. Last step is to put syrup on and time to eat and cut with butter. Thanks for watching. Peely.
I'm gonna go upstairs.
All right, let's hear the review of the food you just cooked. How is it?
Good.
That's the only word you got is good?
You need flour and then you need some white stuff like more flour, 2 cups of sugar, an egg, always flatten it out.
Good job. That's awesome.